Yes people, I'm back with another video. Just quickly repairing my brethren's son's car. For some reason this wishbone is the wrong size. Shit. He's got a problem. I'm just started the video and I've just got to notice a problem. Dad? I just noticed a problem, it's the wrong size. It's the wrong size to post it. The wrong size wishbone. So this, I think this is the wrong size, you know.
Huh?
I think this is the wrong size.
Huh?
I think this is the wrong size.
Which one? No man, that's not the wrong size. The thing working out though? The Allen key working as this? Yeah, put the Allen key in there. Look at this bar. On the wrong side, I'll show you.
I think I need a smaller one. Nah, wrong size. No, that matter. No.
What, you get it?
No, I need a slightly smaller one.
Let me see. What, it can't go in there?
It's a bit slightly too small.
Alright.
It's in between this one and
Lift over there.
this one.
I'm gonna squeeze it down.
Oh.
Yeah man, give me 2 minutes, I'm talking to you. See?
Now turn it a little bit, twist it.
Right. Put the scoop on it and get the gun. It's 170. Yes, my boss. What about?
Yeah, Rob said I should leave this for Monday, innit?
Alright. Oh yeah, the part.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See the receipts.
No, I don't want the receipt.
Love for that, my bro.
Alright, I'm trying to work.
Okay.
Get the gun. Alright, so you do that now. You lift the pressure on it. No? Yeah? Lift the pressure. Go straight there. That's it, done. Finish. See? Yeah, put pressure on it. So I want to know it, yeah? You need to try to get the gun round to it. If you can't get the gun, you have to use the way that round is so difficult, you get this, you use this and tighten it.
Makes sense, yeah.
So you use this. There you go. Yeah, and just tighten that. And that's it done.
Oh, yeah, got you now, got you now. What, get him to verify if that's okay.
But notice, notice that people have a ratchet. I mean, say, how the hell it's have a ratchet and it don't have the thing? What size is a going on in the world?
The ratchet's better.
I can't believe it, yo. Can we really see more missing if that's the same thing you use? Look at that. Ratchet, brethren, without the actual extension.
Nah, it's mad, isn't it?
New thing, this a millennium shit.
I just gotta get him to verify if that's PG. That's there to the brim. Let me see how it looks as well. And I've just found out something. If you're a mechanic, the DJI Osmo Nano is a brilliant thing. I've got the monitor in my hand and I've got the camera in the other hand, and I can't really see behind this brake. So I've got the camera, the camera detached, right looking at the wishbone that I've just installed while I'm looking at the monitor. So yeah, this is a great.
It's like a keyhole surgery.
Literally, yeah. This is great if you're a mechanic. I must say that. This is great if you're a mechanic. Look at that. From all angles. And not to forget, this is magnetic as well, so I can install it here. And talk to you guys from
light
here.
on it as well. Infrared light, yeah.
This is hot. So that's good. Yeah, I don't think I can go no more. Yeah, that can't go no more, so. That good, man, that good. It's alright.
People be up, so.
It's eager for the money.
You understand? And the crazy point about it, he wouldn't even give my wife extra 5 minutes to reach there before him close. I can't see anything there.
Double check, you know? Oh, sorry, bro. I didn't even see you in there. That is working with my dad on a car.